Hello, you welcome once again to Danicom, where we have promised to take our time and teach you step by step and guide you on a certain security issues and other trending technology information. Today's episode, we are going to teach you how to monitor or how to check your phone to see whether somebody is tapping into your phone calls, your SMS and other things. Somebody can just direct your phone calls or messages to his number by monitoring you without you knowing. So I'm just going to show you something small in the next 2 or 3 minutes as we have been doing. Keep watching, share and also subscribe. Without much ado, we'll just quickly go onto our mobile phone and then we'll go to the phone dialer and dial this number. You pick your phone. This is my phone. As you can see, you are going to first of all check if somebody has directed your messages or calls to his number and is monitoring your movements. So after that, if there is any call forwarding on it, I will show you how to disable all those call forwarding. So first, you take your phone and you dial *#67# and send it. *#67# and you send. You see that MMI code has started. And so for my phone, I can see that whenever I am busy and somebody is calling and is not getting me, the phone is being forwarded or the call is being forwarded onto another number of which I don't know this number. So what next should I do? The next thing is to try and erase all this information. So you quickly dial #67# and send it to take off that call forwarding from your SIM or from your phone. You can see it said when busy, it is now erased. The next thing I will teach you in this episode is how to check if any other call forwarding are on, but not necessarily when you are busy alone. And so dial *21# and send when unconditionally voice, data, fax, SMS and other things are all off. But if you dial and you see that any of this thing is being forwarded, what you do is that you dial #002# and cancel that call forwarding on your phone or on your SIM card. Thank you for watching this short video. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Somebody's security is at risk. Somebody is somewhere that they are monitoring the movement up and down, the SMS and the calls whenever he's busy or unreachable. Share the video to let someone also have